हाय गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स। वी आर बैक एट कैलिडियोस्कोप और हमने ये सीरीज़ शुरू की थी पॉजिटिव कोरोना वॉरियर्स को लेकर। आज हम एक ऐसी जगह पर आ गए हैं विच इज़ अ हेवन फॉर फूड लवर्स एंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू नो कि इवन इन दिस पैंडमिक जहाँ पे द होल इंडस्ट्री इज़ रीलिंग अंडर द प्रेशर, you know, malls are closed, there are joints which have not yet opened up. Here is one organization called Mainland China which is all set to bounce back by following all the required sanitization norms, and today they have even announced some exquisite new cuisines for food lovers. I am so happy to have with me here, Janmay Choksi sir, who is the head and the owner of this wonderful place called Mainland China.
Good afternoon.
First of all, good afternoon, sir. I would like to ask you, everywhere there is a sign of, depression, sadness, but yes, people do want to come out and they want to enjoy their life like never before. At such a festive time and during this pandemic, Mainland China announces its reopening, even calls the food bloggers to have a taste of their exquisite cuisine. Will you share your thoughts with us on this?
I think, mainland China doesn't need any introduction. Since 12 years, we are in this city to serve the people. But, 12 years back, few years back, there was no this trend of digital marketing. And there were no food bloggers who would, write the blogs on food and exclusively on the particular product or the recipes and everything. Now we have that platform ready. So, because after all this depression and all this negative going on this last 6 months in this country, we thought to entirely call the food bloggers, some good friends, some really good food bloggers, because they have good following, good taste and good intelligence about what we actually serve. Probably Mainland China is the only restaurant in Ahmedabad who is now serving more than just Chinese, Malaysian, Burmese, entire Pan-Asian cuisines right now. So we thought of calling the food bloggers and have a small gathering and start with this small, hope that we do amazingly.
Wow. And now let's look at, the life from a different point of view. So sir, this is a kaleidoscope.
Okay.
Kaleidoscope, which is the core of our channel. But through its eyes, we like to see the world, in a different kind of a frame. So if you just, look through it, you will be able to see different myriads of, designs, different colors and everything coming up.
Yes.
I think at Mainland China, when I am with you, I get a similar kind of feeling that through, MLC, you are looking at cuisines in a very different fashion.
Yes.
And
yes.
you are talking about interesting Asian cuisines as well.
Asian cuisine.
So will you take us to
we have a team in Mumbai, Chef Dubey precisely, particularly is the main chef. He takes care of the entire training for pan-India chefs there. They have a research and development, people have, we have foods and development, foods and research. We come up with a lot of new varieties, new cuisines every month. So this particular menu which we have exclusively, launched post-COVID, we have prawns, we have fish, we have a lot of vegetarian things. We are coming up with vegan menu soon. So we have not yet officially launched, but yes, we are, the food trials are undergoing. So probably, in next couple of quarters, we might launch the vegan menu as well. But yes, we have a lot of veg.
Wow, so some wonderful chefs at work, some connoisseurs and food lovers around us, some wonderful, aromas and odors which we are smelling right now. So, Janmay sir, have you been a foodie all your life, and have you done any course or degree in this management?
No, not actually. By qualification, I'm an engineer. I did my instrumentation.
Wow.
But by hobby, I was very much foodie. That's how, it looks like as well. So I started up this small place near Vijay Charasta. And year on year, we developed canteens, outdoor catering, food courts. And now we are into fine dine services.
Wow.
Now we have this Mainland China in our kitty. So we take care of Ahmedabad operations for Mainland China.
When I heard this name Mainland China first, some negativities does creep in our mind. We think, oh, it's China. And with the current scenario, how can we promote China at all? And we asked the same question to Janmay sir. Let's hear from you, sir, and then I will like to share my thoughts as well.
Mainland China, particularly, I would say Mainland China has been an experience, I would say. It is not just the food or the value for money, or maybe the high-end niche kind of crowd coming here on daily basis. But mainland China is an exclusive experience for food, experience for services, experience for entire these things.
And who are the promoters of this? Are they people from China?
No, it is not at all. So let me clear, it is as much Indian as we all are. The name itself is mainland China. The owner is Indian, the staff is Indian, the franchisee owners are Indian, the employees are Indian, and in fact, we have a lot of 80% people eating here are Indian.
Wow,
so it is very much
that's,
Indian.
That's wonderful. So here we are, viewers. You see the positivity which is floating around. Here is a happy and full of enthusiasm Janmay sir standing with us, talking with us about mainland China. And even if it would have been China, I would have said कि अगर हमें आत्मनिर्भर बनना है तो हमें चाइना की cuisine, उनका food, उनके values, what stops us from actually enjoying that as well? But here in mainland China now, we will go more of Asian. You spoke to me about something from Burma, sir.
Yeah.
Will you like to share?
We serve an exclusive khausis, which is a Burmese dish. And I would, put it in a different frame. Whenever it comes to the culture, the food, music, this is creativity, this is art. So maybe the border issues or geographical these things will never turn up to be, we are celebrating the food, we are celebrating the culture. So Chinese food and Chinese culture is being entire India is enjoying this. So we as Indians want to serve this. We as Indian want people to come and try out new dishes, and that's how it happened. And we all are Indians, absolutely.
Thank you so much, Janmay sir, for your precious time. There was so much of positivity again, as I said, around us. We also realized music and meal will not look into any boundaries, and we will cross all boundaries. It's a very close thing to our heart, to our palates, to our health. And at this juncture, when mainland China opens up with its new vegetarian menus and its existing non-vegetarian cuisines and so much to offer from all across Asia, I wish Janmay sir and mainland China a wonderful positive season with all our heart.
Thank you so much.
for
Thank
joining
you.
us. Thank you.